Hello everyone, myself Kirtan DP. I am studying Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering, Bangalore, and my USN is 1VE23CS075, and my semester is second semester, and my section is BMW B09, and the course title is Applied Chemistry for CSE stream, and the course code is BCHEECS202, and the topic is we are going to speak in this video is e-waste in chemistry. So let's move on to this video. So introduction to e-waste management in chemistry. So electronic waste or e-waste is rapidly growing problems due to the increased use and disposal of electronic devices. Purpose e-waste management in the field of chemistry crucial of the management and electronic composition. So nowadays the e-waste is rapidly increasing, especially in India, because the more the e-waste is generated, the more the electronics are generated, as equal to as the more the e-waste is generated. So e-waste are the major, and there are so much of millions of e-waste generating per year. So, importance of the proper e-waste disposal. So, environmental impact. So, improper disposal of e-waste can lead to the release of harmful substances like lead, mercury, and calcium in the environment, contaminating the oil, soil, and water supplies. So, if e-waste is generated, there will be a lot of problems for the soil and our environment. So in that environmental, it releases a lead, mercury, and many more very harmful chemicals. So public health is very important. So exposed to these hazardous material can have a serious health consequences, including neurological damage, organ failure, and cancer. So it may lead to the cancer, neurological damage, including consequences, organ failure, etc. So there are so many causes of the electronic waste disposal chemical. So resource conservation. E-waste contains the variable metals like gold, copper, and rare earth metals that can be recovered by reusing them by proper recycle. Hazardous waste in electronic waste. I mean heavy metals, present organic pollutants, and toxic gases. E-waste often contains the heavy metals like lead, mercury, and calcium, which can contaminate the environment and pose health risks. Okay, see, heavy metal are the materials that are heavy, like lead, mercury. Excuse me, I'm very excused. Okay, mercury, lead, and calcium. So, which leads to the very risky for the public health. So, flames, reductions, and other chemicals used in electronic device can be persist and bioaccumulate, disrupting ecosystem and human health. Toxic gases. By releasing the electronic devices in the environment, they release a very harmful toxic gases, which is very harmful to the trees, environment, and our human beings. So we human beings take the fresh air into our body, where these toxic gases are above the environment. So the by burning or improper sorry, very sorry. So toxic gases like the Donoxy and Futuride, which are heavily collided. So next slide. So environmental impact of the improper e-waste disposal. So soil communication, water communication, air pollution. So these are the three common pollutions we have learned since childhood. So here also we are going to learn about these topics. Hazardous materials in e-waste can lead into the soil contamination. Hazardous waste that is very harmful for the soil, because it can harm the soil purity, soil minerals, agriculture, and where it is contaminate the soil, that soil is waste. There we can't grow any agriculture or any proper usage. So water pollution, the improper disposal of the e-waste can lead to can lead to a heavy metals of the other pollutants in nearby water bodies, harmful and aquatic ecosystem. So here the water pollution where the industries leave the water as into the rivers. So the rivers where some environmental bodies will be like fishes, ducks, etc., etc. So if they live direct to the rivers, the river will be polluted. So here the pollutants starts from the industries. So next, air pollution. Air pollution is from the where we drive our vehicles and we drive more, and some of the industries release a very crucial air pollution. So recycling and recovery of the e-waste material. So recycling and recovery. So e-waste we have to recycle or recover because e-waste cannot be disposed to the soil. So recovery and reuse. The first step in e-waste recycling is to disable electronic devices to separate the various components and material. Second point, material spotting. So material spotting, the different type of material spotting such as metals. So these are the material spotting. So moving on to the next slide. So the in this slide there is regulations and policies of the e-waste. So this you have to look into this slide very carefully. You said you will get to know about the regulations and waste management. So the challenges in e-waste management. So scale, cost, globalization, awareness. So awareness is also important that we are doing the awareness. So in these are the four challenges in the e-waste management. So invocation of such a solution and the future trends. So in this slide we are going to end up this presentation in this slide. So e-waste is generally a very dangerous waste in which it leads to a very danger. So advanced recycle technology and extended producer responsibilities and urban mining and blockchain traceability. So these are the four types of trends solution. In the future purpose for our kids, it's very important to follow these solutions. So etc. So thank you for watching our video. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.